Ow! Don't eat the camera. Oh, damn. Ow. Something is wrong with your child. Don't meow. Don't. Stop kicking your feet. Hey. Hey. Get. Gato! Back. What a disaster. This is a disaster, cosito. Ya, ay Dios, ay Dios, ay Dios. Oh, let's not bite. Let's not bite. Hey, hey, hey! Let's not bite. Yummy. No. You do not eat camera. You gotta wash your toe, man. I did not like it. Cosito. He's like, I do not want to talk to you right now. Meow. 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 Ah! Please do not bite. He's so fat right now. Hey, gato. Did you see it? What happened? Was it? Ah! No, gato. Please do not use my camera, which is my phone. Why are you eating your own tail, cosito? Hold on, let me switch up. My cat is crazy right now. Ow! Fudge. How? Coso! No, Coso, no. Ah! Stop scratching me. You do not scratch, please. I'm not recording. Bro, he ran away. He ran away. Ah! Launch an attack. I'm gonna launch my attack. Okay, I grab cat now. Hold on. My door.
What the fuck?
Say hi to the video, guys.
I am not here.
Jacob, they saw you.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
Oh.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
But they saw the precious little bag. No!
There's a photo.
Little Gato is just chilling. Brother just watching. The only reason why you shouldn't have brothers. Thank you.
Oh.
Okay, I'm not gonna say that.
I have actually 4 brothers.
Oh yeah, Jacob.
This guy is one. I wanna eat pupusas.
Jacob. I'm still what you want to eat.
No, Gato. Gato, I'll put you with your brother. What are you doing? Say hi to the... Hi! Say hi, Cosito. If you're new and you don't know him, he's my dog. He's been in some of my videos. And this guy, I hope will make me famous. Because if this guy didn't, oh my God. If this guy didn't, he will. He's so cute. Right, Cosito? He's like, let me go, I'm starving. Oh, Cosito. In this video, my cat will be meowing 1,000 times. Because this guy is such a meower. The first time, hey, Gato. In this video, my cat will be meowing thousands of times. Because he's such a meower. I don't know why. Told you he's such a meower. My cat meows too much. Okay. Jeffrey. Knew it. Well, bye, guys.